खानवादा हुजूर गौसुल आज़म दस्तगीर रहमतुल्लाह अलैह के चश्मो चराग फजीलत शेख सैयद अफीफुद्दीन अब्दुल कादिर जैलानी दामत बरकातुहुम का पाकिस्तानी कौम के लिए अमन, मोहब्बत और यकजहती का पैगाम। मलेशिया में हमारे नुमाइंदे जावेदुर रहमान से खुसूसी गुफ्तगू में कहा कि हम पाकिस्तानी कौम से खुसूसन प्यार करते हैं, पाकिस्तानी कौम हमारे दिलों में रहते हैं। उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, आप भी सुनिए।
I would love to convey one message to our brothers and sisters in Pakistan. We have a special love for all of you, and all of you are in our hearts, and we need from you all to work for Pakistan. Be one hand for Pakistan. Pakistan not belongs to party, not belongs to persons. It belongs to all Pakistanis. And I open my eyes in Iraq, and around me all Pakistanis, and I know how loving people they are. And of course, for sure, they will be able to make it. Put aside all differences, work for peace. Our deen asking us to do so. So therefore, we have to be the best example, excellent example. It's not only name, but the action. And I believe that, inshallah, they will do it, inshallah. I have a strong belief and yaqeen. And inshallah, I would love to one day to soon to make one more visit to Pakistan after a long time. And I hope that we will see all brothers, sisters, no matter belong to any groups or sects or parties, sitting in one place. Because, as I said, they will work for Pakistan and for their deen, and they work for La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. May Allah bless you all. Long life Pakistan. Unity is always important, but at this time is very important, as you mentioned. And I think the incident in New Zealand, of course, was very tragic and really terrible and horrible. But in the meantime, it's opened the eyes of the people to understand more about Islam. When they came, they see the reaction of the Muslims and they see the whole story. It's opened for them their hearts as the masjid opened their doors for them. So that's something which is very interesting. And of course, I know quite a number of people who have went as a shaheed in this incident. But I can see that their families, they are very, alhamdulillah, patient. And I thought their best to be a door of peace, though they have suffered a lot. And inshallah, Allah will make it happen, inshallah, that people will understand more about our deen, our love, and our patience, inshallah. Alhamdulillah.